Today I show an unboxing of the Brannboll mousepad and kind of desk pad, keyboard and mousepad. This is a mousepad from Ikea, 90 by 40 centimeters. That's the size. So it's wide 90 centimeters and 40 centimeters the depth on the desk. The base material is 100% polyester, so there's no surprise there, but also natural rubber. Oh, wow. Made in China. And this is the product information. Each one has its own unique code. And I'm not sure how to open this. It has a bit of a depth here. Okay, so this is the top. It's not stitched on the edge. That's the thing that I'm not so excited about with this mousepad, but it's pretty thick. The thickness is really good on it. And it has this kind of like a thing to hold it in. I'm not sure if I can slide it. I think I have to open it like this. So let's see. This desk, you always see it in the videos. This is the desk from Ikea. Okay, so I will open this thing, I think, from here. Something, it's just glue. Oh, it's really, maybe I can just remove it. No. It's really hard to remove this thing. Okay. So there goes the package. This is really hard to remove this thing. I didn't expect this to be so hard to remove, but okay, I guess. Oh, it's done. Okay, so the smell test. Oh, it really smells nice. It smells like rubber boots, like real rubber. Oh, this is. I have my existing mousepad here, and this is. It's stitched. I'm not sure if it's an original razor. Gladiatus, probably no. But I like that it's stitched like this, and it is thinner. But this one is super thick. And it's like, wow. I can't even show this thing properly. It's really, I like that it's so big. So I think there is no top, like face. This is the thing that was inside to keep the shape of it. Okay, so it's really extensive. I really like the smell. It smells clean, like not anything bad.